Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. It is critical to power off your Tesla via the touchscreen and disconnect the 12-volt battery. This prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical issues. Have your 10mm socket, a long extension, and a small flat tool ready for the upcoming steps. Next, we'll tackle the airbag module. On the back of the steering wheel, you'll find small access holes. Insert your small flat tool into these holes to press and release the internal spring clips holding the airbag. Once released, gently pull the airbag module forward. You will see two electrical connectors, typically yellow and purple. Carefully pinch their tabs and disconnect them to fully remove the airbag. With the airbag safely removed, disconnect any other electrical harnesses for steering wheel controls, like the horn or cruise control. Now, locate the large center bolt securing the steering wheel to the column. Use a 10mm hex socket and a long extension to loosen this bolt. It can be quite tight, so a breaker bar might be necessary for leverage. Loosen the bolt, but do not remove it completely just yet. Once the center bolt is loose, you can gently pull the steering wheel straight off the steering column. It might require a slight wiggle. Notice the splined keyway on the column. This ensures the wheel can only be reinstalled in the correct orientation. Be careful not to rotate the clock spring behind the wheel. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process, ensuring the center bolt is tightened to 80 Nm with a torque wrench.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.